Welcome to another edition of
Kids Can.
Yeah, and I have Asher back here with me today. Yeah, he's a sweetie. So when I think of summer, I think of a fresh lemon. It's such a yummy taste. And so we're gonna make a recipe today. You ready to use the lemon? What's in it? Oh, it doesn't look lemony. It looks, slime. So that's what we're making today. We're gonna make lemon slime. Ew.
For the lemonade slime, you will need a bowl to put it in, 4 cups of shaving cream, 1 tablespoon of lemon gelatin dissolved in 1 tablespoon of water, a half a cup of school glue, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of saline solution, and the measuring cups and a spoon to mix it.
So the first thing we do is we need 4 cups of shaving cream, and Asher started us out a little earlier. He's gonna top it off for us. All right, good job. So that's 4 cups. And to the 4 cups of shaving cream, you get the lemon gelatin, and you have 1 tablespoon of lemon gelatin and 1 tablespoon of water. So you put that together to start it off, and it makes it smell lemony, and it turns it a little yellow. Not super yellow, but a little yellow.
And I like to mix it up.
All right, you mix it up. Yeah, the instructions suggest that you put in some food coloring too, and we didn't have any yellow. I tried orange earlier, and it does turn it just a little yellow. That is a good job. All right, let's get the sides, and we'll be. So after you add the gelatin to the shaving cream, you add a half a cup of school glue. The instructions suggested white school glue, and I think that way you keep the true yellow color of lemonade, but we decided to be a little creative, and we're going to use glow-in-the-dark glue and just some purple glitter glue. And it seems like
Granny and Pop have this glitter glue.
Grammy and Pop will have that glitter glue. That's
That's
neat.
how I got it.
Oh, that's why Asher helped pick it out. All right, so it almost took the whole entire bottle of glue, but that's pretty satisfying to watch that come out.
Can we mix it?
Oh, let me get it out of the measuring cup, and then you can mix. How's that?
It'll cover up.
Yeah, it'll color up. We'll see what happens.
We'll see when the color turns up.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna mix it and see if it makes it turn a different color. It'll be a surprise. Yeah.
Do you what?
Asher's guess is green. And right now there's so much shaving cream, it's really not doing a whole lot. Alright, let me mix it just a little bit. And, ooh, it is getting thicker though. That's good. And so our next step is to add a half a teaspoon baking soda. Alright, you got it all in there? Good job. Starting to come off of the sides. That's exciting. And so the last step is we need 2 tablespoons of saline solution. All right, you got it? Let me squirt it in. All right, there's one. Oh. Are we there? All right, and
Fire!
let me finish stirring it all the way up. Oh, and touch. He's saying he's ready to touch it. So it says it smells like lemonade. I would say it smells like shaving cream. But it's not a bad smell.
I'm making it
So
slimier. Look.
Oh, it is slimier. All right. So yay, it worked. So it suggests that you put a little bit of saline solution on your hands, rub them together, and then you should be able to pull some out of the bowl and mold it until it's like a good consistency. I'm not sure how this is going. But is that fun? Oh, it's going. It's just going to take a second, I think. Maybe not. I think you need more saline on your hands. Is part of the problem. Because where the saline is, you need some on your hands to keep it off you. All right. So fun. It's so fun. I'm glad you like it. So it's Asher approved. So yeah, it's coming off my hands now. Oh yeah.
My hands.
Is it still sticky to your hands? Alright, here you go. You can play with this one. You see if you can play with that one. Ta-da! That is delightful, and it's much less slimier than, when they said slime, I thought it was gonna be like ooey gooey running down your fingers, but if you get it, if you follow the recipe, it turns out and you have like a nice fluffy foamy ball of fun to play with. Is it fun to pull it apart? Alright, it gets brighter. It's like when you play with it, it almost gets brighter. That's kind of neat. And it makes fun noises. Anyway.
We're done. Power on its back one.
Alright.
Bye!
Thanks for coming to another edition of Kids Can. Remember, God loves you and we do too.